Ano nga po?
The railroad. But you don't, I don't think you have anything at
Ay,
the
sapatos ano.
Anything.
Okay. What do you want for the railroad?
6. 1, 2,
About
3,
3, 4,
4, 5.
250.
What did they?
You have $1,000? I don't know. I have like 600.
Okay.
Dalawang beses na ako na-jail.
Jail?
Oo.
No. I got an offer.
We're gonna go to
I got a
the
get out of jail free card.
May offer siya sa'yo.
And what do you have today? What do you got? Do you have a railroad? No.
May bilhin ko to.
Ito gusto mo ng bail?
May bilhin ko to. 300. May bilhin ko to.
Ito,
Ate, ito na.
bigyan ka na ng ano, $100.
I'll give you a railroad.
300 na sis. Ko,
Expensive.
100 na lang.
It's where the
300,
celebrities
bibili niya
live.
300 yan.
I'll give you a railroad.
Oo.
And
Yung sa railroad.
no, I'll give you this one right here
Okay.
for the pink card.
Ano ba mapapala ko dyan?
You get a free get out of free jail card and
And
a railroad
Hindi, bibiling ko na lang sa'yo yan.
May bilhin ko
for the
300.
pink.
Virginia.
So instead of waiting 3 turns for you to get out of jail,
Bayad ka
or
ng
bayad ka
$50.
ng 50 para makaalis ka ng jail, bibigyan ka niya neto para pwede ka na tumira next turn.
And you also get a railroad.
And you get a railroad, which is this one.
Look, I have 300.
Ah, 200.
300.
Pero,
Uy,
kapalit,
offer ko,
yung
ginagaya.
pink na property, gusto niyang
Ito si
ipalit.
Virginia, ano.
Itong
Kasi may-
Virginia Avenue. gusto
Alam niyo
niya.
kasi gusto niyang bumuo na ng bahay katulad kay Paul.
So, ang value ng gusto niya, 160, pero binibigyan ka niya
Ilan?
ng next turn tsaka itong $200. Which is,
Pero ba nare-rent ba ito? Hindi.
oo, may
Ayan,
bayad
eh,
din.
ganito yan, oh.
Magkano naman talaga?
25 yung rent.
Ah, pwede na. Sige.
25 Wow!
Accept.
Me, sabi ko sa'yo,
Wow,
300.
deal.
Sabi
He's
ko,
making
ano
money
ba?
moves.
I'm telling you, mabait si mami sa kanya.
That's a good deal.
No, it's a good deal.
Oo, kasi meron akong rent eh. May business
Saka
ako.
makakalis siya sa jail.
Mas
Oo,
malaki
nasa
yung,
sa jail.
mas malaki value
O,
ng
palasin
railroad.
mo na ako dyan.
Yeah.
Mamaya. So, hindi ka na mag-iintay.
Ay, hindi ako
Let's
magbabayad.
use it. She's using
Okay.
it later.
Okay.
Right?
Oo.
Okay, ako na.
Wow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Ten?
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Sana mo.
Ano time? Birthday ko daw.
Patingin! If
10 each.
it's your birthday, collect $10 from every plate.
Birthday to you.
Ay, hindi naman rin nagaluhan.
Papalit ako, wait lang. Papalit ako.
Magbigay daw ng 10 birthday.
Thank you.
Papalit ako ng bicycle. Oh, happy birthday.
Oh, you get to go again.
Grabe naman tong happy birthday na to sa pilitan. Pwede bang ano, di ka pumunta
Bibigay
sa
ka na
party
eh.
mo?
De.
Bibigyan na.
Oh, you get
Uy,
it.
5 lang.
5.
Oy,
1,
chance.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Ano
Chance.
ba yan?
Chance.
What the heck? Kailangan mo ubus yung chance ah.
Ako nakakaisang beses pa lang dyan.
I think pag ano pwede mag-receipt eh. Di ba?
Patingin! Kamadugas.
Jail.
Ano?
Go to jail. Go directly to jail. Do not
Oh,
pass
yes,
go.
yeah,
Do
jail
not
free card
collect
daw.
200.
Ay, hindi ka makukulit na
Good.
200
Oy,
pa.
hindi, gagamitin ko yung Jay ko.
Bakit?
Yeah, you can get out of here.
Bail.
Yeah,
Pwede ba yan?
Later.
But later
Later
yun.
daw.
Later yun. Dugas.
Oo.
Kala mo.
Ay,
Ako
sino
na ba?
titira? Ako na.
What's your third?
Pag third ko na ba? Hindi ko maalala my
Hard
friends.
lang yan. para yung-
Yes, you
Pangatlo
third
na.
na.
oh.
So,
So,
your
I
next
can-
one. You go next one, right?
Ah, next one pa.
You still gotta roll though.
You can roll.
Ba yan?
7.
7 na, third mo na yun ah.
Where am I?
Pwede na ba ako maglakad?
Yeah,
Pangatlo
yeah.
na yun.
Hindi pa, hindi
Budget
pa.
ba?
You missed 3 turns. 3.
Oo.
It's me, right?
Yaman ko oh. Ang dami kong ano. Nakikita niyo ba yan?
Wait.
Gusto mo papalit? Gusto mo palit?
Who has?
5? 10? $10?
Ha?
Yan, say
St. James.
James.
Ah, si ano, sa kanya. Yata.
May ito, meron pang New York Ave.
Oh.
Yeah, it's open.
Which means walang
Who has
naglalanding.
the Tennessee one?
Si Mami.
Si Mami, si Mami.
Ha?
Five
Ako,
na. So,
ano,
5 na lang.
bibili na.
5 na lang para hindi ako mag-ubos.
Okay.
Ilan?
5.
10?
6.
5 lang. Para hindi maubos.
Sige, 6.
May pambarya ako.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bayad ka tax.
900.
Tax. Dito,
Grabe,
tax
may
siya.
2,500 tong katabi
I know,
ko dito.
yes.
O, ikaw na, Sarah.
ako.
Kinabahan ako, sabi ko, ba't nawala yung 100 ko? Hindi pala
3,
organized.
3.
Ayoko dumaan dito, nalulugi ko.
Oh!
7.
Chance.
Go to
Jail.
Baltic Avenue.
Advance to the nearest utility!
Oh, nice.
And you may buy it from the bank. 150.
One trip! Oh my God!
Ikaw natin.
Lucky.
I'm freaking...
What if both utilities are on?
Yes.
10 times the amount. So nice.
Eve,
8.
That's
I
crazy.
got a proposal
She got
What
two.
now?
She got
8.
2.
Oh. Kanino to?
for a pink.
I don't freaking care about
Send,
St.
ano?
James. Walang lumalan dyan.
I hope everybody
Asan pala? Oh,
loves
dito.
you.
Ay, hindi. Paano yun? Kay daddy mo to. Parang wala lang.
Wala lang. Wala lang.
Or what do you want for this? What can I get for this?
Ano yung ano? Sinigang?
I give you $1. I don't...
Oh my god.
I give you $20.
Alright,
Yung
how about
over is
how
down.
about I give you?
Oy, ako na.
Please.
Nasa bako. Eh, paano yung lalayas na ako sa
But you have to
game?
give me the rest of
Uy.
it.
Oh, gamit ko na naman mo.
Ah.
But you get to build.
Eto nga. Get
I
me.
think I'm going with Sarah instead.
Gamit ko na yan. Bigyan mo kay Sarah.
Oh,
You get to
Sarah.
build on the pink.
Ano ka? Asan?
Eto nga eh. Lalayas na ako.
Alis ka na. Sige.
Ito tapos sa silbi, di ba?
Hey.
Ito siya.
Kasi aking sapatos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Uy, nakuha na
6,
yung New York.
7, 8.
Tennessee.
Tennessee Avenue.
Akin din naman yan eh.
Ay, wala.
Bili mo yung bahay.
Pwede kang makipag-make ng
Bibili ako
offer.
ng bahay?
Yeah, you can make offers.
Pwede
to
kang
people.
makipag-offer.
Eh, kung bibili ako ng bahay, magkano?
You can't.
Wala pa. Kailangan. Lahat to
tatlo po nga
sa'yo.
yung mabili.
I have a brown.
Kaya siya nakikipag-offer kasi gusto
Ay,
niya.
ano yung offer mo naman sa akin? Maganda.
Water?
What about you? I have this.
I'll get you one.
What
So,
do you want for this?
yeah. Pwede mong bilhin to kay Adrian. Like,
You, have to, you can
makipag-trade
offer
ka.
me also.
Pwede kang mag-make ng offer.
Magkano naman pagkabili?
I'm not selling it for money.
Gusto niya ng
I want
property.
trade.
Ito, connect.
Connecticut.
Oh, connect.
What color is that?
Maliit lang yung ano, yung red.
Light
yung ito.
Blue.
Light blue?
Oo.
What was the other
Plus
one?
ano, plus 300 oh.
si Ate Eve.
That's not fair. I
Plus
need.
300 oh. Plus 200 pala.
Ayoko to, maganda
I'll take
to.
the I'll take the railroad.
Ay, binti ko
Uy, uy,
ulit.
uy.
And
Oh no.
Ayoko, maganda
No?
rent
Alright.
dito yung 25 eh.
Alright.
Baka lagi may dumaan dyan. Nagkapera ako.
Okay, nice try din.
is it me?
Ano sila ba?
Oo.
Uy, chill. Si Paul.
Ako yan eh.
Si
Paul.
Oo, kasi si Mami.
Oo.
Wait, ikaw.
No, you still have to roll.
Akin din kasi yun eh.
Para makalabas ka. Uy, sayang.
Alright, now you're out.
Nasa ka, Paul? 3 ka daw ah.
Kaya nga ako dyan, manunod ako sa inyo.
Bakit?
Ayaw niya magbayad.
Eleven.
Ay, nahulog yung pera ko. Pakikuha nga.
Ba't may gano'n? Dahil na magbayad?
Yeah.
11.
Wait lang, may parents.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Kentucky Avenue.
Si Daddy.
Oh, bayad ka.
18.
Sino?
Hindi, kay Paul. Kay Paul.
Okay, 10.
Kumikita tayo sa bawang sa kulungan.
10 mo ng 10. Chill ka lang, bro. Kumikita sa kulungan.
Hindi pa luto yung gulay din.
Dito na, parang kaya sa bawang ako. Dito na, dito na yan.
Eh, alisin ko yung gulay. Wala naman.
Sarah, magkano dito? Ano ulit offer mo?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I take this.
Oriental Avenue
For
sa Eve.
this one and this one.
Whoa.
It's the same value.
Well, not the same value if you get all these and then you
I
get
only
to
have
build
one.
your
I only have
freaking business.
You have to
I
change
only have
for.
Wait,
I landed on your.
Kaya dahil isa, tigil-tigil sa kayo.
But like, think about this. Wait.
Ano to? 6, diba?
Yo,
Walang ano dito.
think about it. I can't.
Give me more than $1. May $1
Oh,
ba?
that's not good, guys.
Pero ito, pag nakuha to ni Ate Eve, look at the rent. 200 each time.
Wow.
Pang,
But
it's boardwalk and like Park Place.
Which one?
yeah, but she's gonna build her own thing.
Wait,
Plus,
no. Think about this.
Wait,
Think about
Bakit?
Pakita mo,
That's
pakita mo.
crazy.
I can't build a house with railroads.
Yeah.
Still, you can build a house with this.
You can also build a house with this and it's worth more.
Yeah, but you're getting also this one.
Oh,
Yeah,
it's
but
just
I'm-
1 to 1. 2 is to 1.
I'm blocking. I'm
Here,
gatekeeping
I
this.
got one.
But how often do people land here,
I
dude?
got you.
2 is to 1?
You just did.
Eve.
You
Eve.
just did. Somebody just did. I don't know who.
No, wait.
Si Mami yata
No,
yun.
I'm giving you an offer. 2 pinks for all this.
Knock to ako. Mababa pa yan dito, eh.
Plus $5. Oh,
Ayoko.
Alright.
Nakikita mo to?
but you don't want it.
No.
You can build houses.
No.
And a lot of people lands over here.
Hindi ako si Cynthia Villar.
Actually, I'll take that.
Actually, alam mo, kanina pa nalalag to.
Yeah, I know.
Kaya, swerte ako dito.
But I get all this.
Bro. Stop touching it. Parang every time hawakan mo, nawawala yung isa eh.
What do you think? What do you think?
Next round.
Next round? Alright. Think about
Next
it.
round.
Maybe next round I won't even offer it anymore.
Wow, binablock
Alright.
pa ako dito.
How about you? I'll trade you this to for a railroad and Park Place.
Sino?
And what daw?
Smother?
Railroad and
You know what? Since you're not biting, I feel like I might just take this deal.
But I still got the pink. You guys won't be able to build.
That's okay. That's 2 out of the 3. That's Virginia and States Avenue. Like, how often do people land here, though? St. Charles?
What do you mean? Everybody
Oh,
lands
kanina.
there. Everybody lands there.
You want these two? For these guys? That's only $300. $300 worth. That's this alone.
Yeah.
Is $350.
Okay.
That's not
But
enough.
okay. That's
You're
my
gonna-
offer though.
I'm
You can decline
okay.
or accept.
I'm telling
Do better,
you.
do
I'm
better.
telling you.
Do better.
Offer niya parang lugi ka pa.
No, it's good for you. I don't know why
For
you didn't
me,
take it.
I guess, yeah.
Whatever. Alright,
Yeah,
whose turn is
you
it?
got. Actually,
Pero
offer
ano
yes.
ha? Pero
My
you
turn,
know,
right?
pero
My
you know what?
My
You
turn?
know what? Dito, itong dalawa lagi nalalang din.